I think from when we did the rear end, that one was loose, and we had to find a bolt that worked, and it worked.
You just lost the bolt.
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. I never lose anything.
Never?
Never. Look at this. Look at this mess in here. Good morning, everybody. All right. Car's up. Working on it already. Got the guys there. I need to get under there. So we're getting back to it. Fixing the car. Replacing the half shaft. It broke it. And it broke it good. You can see the clip now. There it is.
No, be careful.
Oh, you broke it!
Damn it!
Oh, damn. Look at that. I broke it good. Hopefully it shouldn't take long. And we'll let the master suspension guy, Javi. He's under there already. Javi, you done yet? Yeah, you don't need it now, puppy. I got the sun back here.
You do it too, for real.
This thing is bright as fuck.
Is that a half-inch drive or a 3/8?
That's a half-inch drive. Well, there it is. I guess you had nothing holding it, Javi.
Yeah, I just remembered.
There it is.
No, be careful.
Oh, you broke it.
Damn it!
Oh, damn. Look at that. I broke it good.
You have to clean all that shit in there.
Yeah, I got some brake parts cleaner there. Yep.
More power.
Yeah. Everybody said,
In there.
huh? Is that where?
That's where it sheared off. Yeah, it's right there where it broke. Right there.
You need me to grab it up from that side, Bobby?
Watch the seal. That's how you mix up the seal.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch this part of the diff cover for laughing, you know?
You want to try to grab it with some pliers, Javi, and then yank on it?
Yeah, you gotta give it a little.
You gotta, like...
Yeah,
put some
don't
ass
come
in
out
it,
too
buddy.
bad. I'm breaking fucking something's bending there.
I mean, you have the extra seal, so if you end up fucking that one, who cares?
Yeah, but we can't do it twice.
Yeah. What? What do you mean twice? Well, the other side is just gonna come right out. We don't need the. We won't need the pry bar. The other
Them
side.
bushings,
Mm-hmm.
they go on top right here,
Okay.
and then up here.
Push the half shaft in from this.
Yeah, I tried that already. It moves a little bit.
No, push it in
Yep.
and then yank it out with the pry bar. Not with your hand, but with the pry bar.
Well, I used to be able to take them out with my hand.
Yeah, I know.
Now they have like a little pin that locks them.
Yeah, it's a clip.
And sometimes these take 5 minutes, and sometimes they take 2 hours.
Jack the seal though.
Ask Vince
Yeah, you guys had trouble with Vince's, right?
with mine.
I don't want the picture fall on me either.
Yeah, it's gonna fly out.
Nope.
Give me the pliers, man. So I can open up.
You know what I've learned today? What's that? Right?
It's the rubber, what I'm pulling.
Yeah, see that?
Watch out, there's oil coming down.
Yeah, see that?
Did it pop?
No, it's just oil coming down from
God, try pushing and pulling again.
Hold on. It's just, all I get
Just
is...
pouring oil on me.
You want a pan? Is that gear oil?
It's axle oil.
Axle oil.
grease.
It's in. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Hold on.
Let me push it in, hold on. Alright,
Ready?
Let me grab it.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, they do. They They come out real easy when they're all together.
Marty.
I know, huh? Hey. When I broke it, I broke it good.
That's for sure.
Damn straight. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right, goddammit.
Alright, apply pressure.
What'd you do? Did you smash your fucking finger?
I fucking smashed my hand.
Ah, shit.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
It's on, it's on, move. Alright. I mean,
Give me a bag.
a bag?
Yeah, something catch it.
Does my big giant exhaust get in the way now?
I was trying to, no, it has to come out this way. I was trying to get it out without messing up the seal.
Did you mess up the seal?
I don't think so. You guys just have to look at it. You'll be able to.
Good, because I'm gonna take that bitch back and we don't use it. $50 fucking seal. Little. I've had semi trucks that use cheaper seals than that.
$9.99.
Cheap if you order them online.
They weren't that much cheaper. It was like $35 the cheapest one I saw.
You get two for the same price.
All right. Here's part number 2. Yep. Ooh, it stinks.
You got it clean.
It smells like Gearz.
You got any brake clean?
Yes, I do.
And a pan probably be best.
Yes, I got a pan and brake clean. All right, gotta clean it up. Gotta clean up the mess. Yeah. Yeah, that seal. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, that seal's fine. It's a little bit on the corners, but it ain't nothing that where it's gonna hurt anything.
Butter knife.
Does it?
We'll open the other side and figure it out. I wonder if we need to transfer this right here.
Centric or something?
This thing right here.
Little bushy?
Yeah. I don't know what this is for, but I don't think I did on mine.
You already done your shafts?
I did one side. I did the driver's side to prevent this shit from happening.
Yeah, I definitely decided before I do, or when I do clutch.
But it's funny because they say the other one breaks at the bottleneck, like it snaps at the bottleneck because here has a bottleneck.
Mm-hmm.
But everybody keeps snapping them like inside.
That is weird.
Because like that's where Marty broke inside, and that's where Miguel's broke inside. Yeah, see? A, B, and BB. You gotta find out which one's which.
Okay. That's pretty simple. Actually, one is slightly longer. Where's the old shafts?
They're next to each other to compare.
Uh-huh.
Where's the other one? The broken one. Where do you put the broken one? AC. What's the number on that one? This is AC. That's why. AC 2312K. 4K 138 138 139 138 138 139 139. Does that make sense? I think that side should be this side. I'm gonna look it up and just in case, anyways.
They really are made really different.
Hmm?
They're made really different.
But like if you
These
see
areas are much beefier.
See the bottleneck? That's where
Yeah.
they say they usually break.
Yeah.
But
And look, it's fatter here.
so that's why they say change the driver's side because it's thicker.
You know, it's crazy if you look at this, right? Well, maybe this tube is the same size. Yeah.
But
it
doesn't
is.
have this where they say it snaps supposedly.
No. Look, it's fatter. Actually, this is a skinnier shaft. Yeah, these two together.
But they say this
And
is the
these two
same.
together.
They're like, if you change the other side, it's the same shit.
This is different. This flange. This is different. This is heavier duty.
Yeah. It's different from mine. Alright, now, did you look at the seal? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Look good?
Yeah, it looks okay. I don't see any issues. Up on the top, can you reach the top of the seal there? It looks like there's something that might snag. Yeah, that's good. Oh, shit.
Can you hold this up? I gotta get it clicking. Can't get it in.
Alright, here, let me do it.
There you go. Yep, it's in. Just pull it out without, not hard, just to see if it moves. No, push it in. Yep. That's good. It is in. One in. We got both out. We got one in. Now I'll put everything back together.
Daddy gonna be an expert in Mustangs soon. He'd be like, fuck, these cars are so easy to work on.
Yeah, rid of my Audi.
My shit's way easier than this. You guys are crazy. Front and rear is way easier.
Okay, maybe your suspension, but everything else is fuck you.
Everything else is fuck you.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that. It's like, we're not gonna make nothing easy for you.
Well, not meant to come apart.
Those damn Germans, they thought they had it. So there's no need to improve this. We made it great.
Very much.
All right, let's crank the boost. Let's see how great you really made it.
Dang, you need a pry bar or something moving around?
No, it's going in. Just threading it. Just fucking amazing.
Damn, I didn't even get to see the new shiny. The new.
Size that is.
Did you do a video? Yeah, you did a little one.
I was recording talking.
Yeah.
Yeah, just talking shit about me?
Yep.
Thanks.
Marty out there breaking shit.
Yeah.
Fucking Marty didn't even have his wheel tight.
Yeah. No, hey, did you get those plastics off? Give me, I'm gonna pop them bitches off.
The what?
The plastic.
What plastic?
Is this plastic, Danny, right there?
No.
Oh, no, that's metal. That's
That's rubber.
Yeah, that's probably one of the reasons my wheel ain't.
It's melted. It was a hub
That's a hub centric ring.
Yeah. That's why your wheels are stuck in there.
Yeah.
It was a hub centric thing. Not anymore.
Well, it's what's left of it.
Yeah.
But
That's
just yeah. let me pop those things out because these new wheels don't need those.
I mean, I don't know that the wheel should loosen. Right here.
It's because it's got too much power.
Turning, you're taking off. Do you drag your front wheels if you're caught one way or the other?
What?
Just going slow. Taking
This is
off.
probably the reason why my wheels blood nuts keep getting loose.
Front end slides.
I didn't realize these are still on there. So how long did that take? What, 2 hours?
Well, last half hour you've been fucking around underneath the car.
That's true. All right. Oh, I gotta put the battery back on. Now, she should move, right? I could do a burnout right now, no problem.
Right now in the garage.
You won't do it.
Fuck no, I won't. Then my house coming to be smell like fucking burnt rubber for the next week.
Make a good video.
Oh yeah, it would. So ready to roll. I'm taking a small little road trip this weekend, and hopefully be back at the track in a few weeks. So let's go on a ride, see how she does. It's not gonna get a cold start. I started the car already. All right, let's start her up. All right, here we go. Getting out of the neighborhood, so gotta respect it. Gotta respect the neighborhood because we already had a few neighbors scream at us. Yeah. They don't like us in our neighborhood. We have loud cars and friends with loud cars. HOA ain't our friend. need to drive it a bit. See that center one there? It's my air inlet temps, and it's a little, about 110 right now. I like it to be a little lower. I gotta get some air flowing through it. Alright, let's do this with a manual. Remember, this car's manual. And camera manual driving isn't exactly easy to do, I guess. But we'll do our best, damn it. We'll do our best. Oh, let's see. Taste the boost, taste the boost. There it is. God damn it. Damn, this car hits hard. Center one's going down. This air starts flowing through the intercooler. It's better now. Let's try this. How do we feel? Yep. It's fun. It's fun. This car's so much fun. If you guys have ever had the opportunity to drive a boosted car, a car that's just, do it. Do it. It's just so much fun. She's running good. She's back. Good old twin turbo V6. I mean, I know honestly, it wasn't a hard job. I think it took the guys and me, I don't know, an hour and a half. I literally took my daughters to school and back. And Javi and Danny and Bobby, they were there early, and I got back and they had it basically almost done. I was like, holy crap. I was like, what the hell am I gonna do? But they got it done. They know what the hell they're doing, and thankfully the half shaft broke in a good spot. Alright, boys and girls, so car feels good. Everything feels like the way it should. Car's hitting boost good. Everything's working the way it should. I mean, it's half shafts. They weren't that hard to replace. You saw the damage is what it is. So I want to thank everybody that helped me today. Javi, Bobby, my boy Danny, everybody that came out. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. You know, you guys rock. Always out there to help a fellow Mustang guy or just a fellow car guy. You know, it'd be funny how much fun, how awesome it is. Just a car brings awesome people in your lives. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a big thumbs up. Hope you guys like it. And, you know, let me know what you think. I'm going to take it back to the track possibly 2 weeks. So, I'm definitely wanting to see what it does. And the car feels good right now. So, and the weather's good here in Florida. So, hopefully we get there. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. All right, here's Danny. Danny in his crazy ass way. Hey, man, don't fucking damage my house.
Shut up, fool.
Well, shit, man. How the fuck we ain't done this fucking for years?
Hey, I'm a noob.